Hi, my name is Bruno Hauck and I have 10 years of experience as a software developer, and I'm also a teacher. I want to move to Canada, Europe or USA. I'm currently working at Prudential as a full stack developer, work with local government system and local government apps. And I teach Android development in Java and multi-platform developing in Angular using Ionic framework. And I do online training, making screencasts to teach for my students. My main coding skill are Java, Angular, and PHP. I already worked with C Sharp, but I don't have too much experience in this area. I also like to say that I'm good at JavaScript programming, front end and back end, so I'm considered a full stack developer. And I also have experience with network like Linux and Cisco and other networks, like how to create a web server and create a Active Directory for Windows Server and other technologies. But I worked this before I start working with developer as a developer. I would like to say that my two strengths are creativity and determination. Outside in my free time, I enjoy watching movies and series with my wife, and I like to go out and travel a lot. At my project, I used Android Studio, like here, and I use native language Java. I didn't use Kotlin, but I know how to program in Kotlin too. And I made here a simple job search app, and I will try to launch here the app to show how it's working. I did here a main activity, but I'm not going to show the code. I will run the code here to show how it works. I stopped the video because it takes a long time to run the app with the emulator with the Android Studio. I already run the app here and show that we have a screw here. It will take how many jobs the app wants to show. We can show infinite jobs as you ask it. And here we have a search here, and here the search just only search for like here the type of the job, Android. Here the search. No, it didn't work. Let me see, Android. What I can't do here. Let me see here. It searched for Android developer. So I had another filter here. Let me check this. Put this, and here we have all the jobs. You have the description here. Have all the jobs. So I made another filter here. It takes me a long time to do the search and make the filters. I would like to make like a create job post. I also created a class, but it didn't have time to finish. But I create the filter here. We have the search filter here, like here. You just search for job title. So the other filter filter like permanent or remote job, or you can search for job location. Let's see here how to search for remote jobs, and see here need the filter for remote job. We have two remote jobs. If we want to permanent, we have here, we have a permanent job. If we want to to search for job location. You have I put location here, anywhere. Let me see here, anywhere, a front-end developer. And the technology that I use it, I can show here the code. I use a native Android Java, using Java, and I did here a navigation drawer. Let me show you the navigation drawer here, and I did a about. See, here is a job search. Here it's not working well with the emulator, but in my cell phone is working well. We have the about, and we have here I can show the future again, like here, if you press here you show the future. And I did a simple job search app to show you and how it works. And I'm also going to make another video showing how it works in my cell phone. Now I'm doing a screencast here with my phone to show how the apps works. And here we have the job details. We can come back here. Here we have a navigation drawer that have a menu, and in the menu we have a about. We have a future. We can do a job future. You can put here remote with remote, and here we have senior full stack developer as remote. And here we can do a search here for full stack. And we have Android. Let me see here, full. Hey, they are not working very well. I have to improve this, but it's working. Like here we have Android, and see the other job here, front end, like here, front end developer. So it's searching very nice. This search is search for the title. So here we have the description for this job. They have a job description. Let me see here, this first here. You have the location, the job type, the company description, the skills. The next thing I can do with this app is to create the job post, make a login, and the apply button for someone who wants to apply for that job. To finish here, I made the backend with PHP using CodeIgniter MVC framework. And I also like to say that I would love to move to a different country and work with new technology companies and startups, and another kind of company too. I would like to thank VanHack too for this opportunity, and goodbye.